1993 Lincoln Cent. Welcome back, coin collectors and history lovers. Today, we are taking a close look at a coin that might seem common but holds some surprising hidden value in high grades and rare varieties. While most of these pennies are worth just 1 cent, certain mint errors and high-grade examples can sell for hundreds or even thousands of dollars at auction. Stick around as we explore the history, design, rarity, and auction prices of the 1993 Lincoln penny, along with tips on how to identify valuable specimens. History of the 1993 Lincoln Cent. The Lincoln Cent series has been in circulation since 1909, when it was introduced to honor the 100th birthday of President Abraham Lincoln. The 1993 Lincoln Cent continues the memorial reverse design, which was first introduced in 1959 to mark the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. By 1993, the composition of the penny had already changed from its original 95% copper to a zinc core with a thin copper plating due to rising metal costs. This change happened in 1982, meaning the 1993 Lincoln Cent is a zinc-based coin rather than a traditional copper penny. The 1993 pennies were struck at 2 U.S. Mint locations: Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, 5,684,705,000 minted; Denver Mint, D mint mark, 6,426,650,571 minted; San Francisco Mint, S mint mark, proof coins, 3,394,792 minted. With billions of these coins produced, they are not considered rare in general circulation. However, certain high-grade specimens and mint errors make some 1993 pennies highly desirable to collectors. Design of the 1993 Lincoln Cent. The 1993 Lincoln Cent features the classic design by Victor David Brenner, obverse, and Frank Gasparo, reverse, obverse, front side, a right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln, first introduced in 1909, the words, "In God We Trust," inscribed above Lincoln's head; the word "Liberty" to the left of Lincoln; the year, 1993, located on the right, D. Mint mark, Denver Mint, or no mint mark, Philadelphia Mint, below the year, reverse, back side, the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo in 1959, the inscription, United States of America, along the top rim; the phrase, E pluribus unum, above the Lincoln Memorial; the denomination, 1 cent, at the bottom. This reverse design was used from 1959 to 2008, before being replaced by the Lincoln Bicentennial and Shield designs. Rarity and value of the 1993 Lincoln Cent. The value of a 1993 Lincoln Cent depends on its condition, mint mark, and whether it has a rare variety or error. Circulated condition, worn coins, face value, 1 cent; slightly better condition, 2 to 5 cents. Since billions of 1993 pennies were minted, circulated examples are generally only worth face value unless they have a rare error. Uncirculated condition, mint state grades, MS 60 to MS 64, $1, $3, MS 65, strong luster, few marks, $5, $10, MS 66, high quality, no major flaws, $15, $30, MS 67, near perfect. Very rare, $100, $300, MS 68, exceptional quality, extremely rare, $1,000 plus. Auction highlight, in 1993, D Lincoln Cent graded MS 68 red by PCGS sold for over $200. Rare errors and varieties of the 1993 Lincoln Cent. Some 1993 pennies contain mint errors and varieties that make them highly valuable. Here are a few to watch for: 1. 1993 double die obverse, DDO, and double die reverse, DDR. Some 1993 pennies exhibit doubling on the obverse, front, or reverse, back, inscriptions. Look closely at "Liberty, in God We Trust," and 1 cent for signs of doubling. Value, $50 to $500, depending on the strength of the doubling point. 2. 1993 off-center strike. A coin that was struck off-center will have part of the design missing. A 5 to 10% off-center strike might be worth $25 to $100, while a 50% off-center strike could sell for $500 plus. 3. 1993 clipped planchet error. This occurs when part of the coin's edge is missing due to a cutting mistake at the mint. Value, $20 to $150, depending on the size of the clip. 4. 1993 Broadstrike error, a penny without a rim due to a striking issue, value, $50 to $200, depending on condition. 5. 1993 penny struck on the wrong planchet. Some 1993 pennies were accidentally struck on dime, nickel, or foreign coin planchets. These are extremely rare and can be worth $1,000, $5,000 plus. If you suspect you have a rare error or high-grade penny, getting it graded by PCGS, NGC, or ANACS is the best way to determine its true value. How to sell a 1993 Lincoln Cent. If you have a 1993 Lincoln Cent and want to sell it, follow these steps. Check its condition. Coins in MS 67 or higher are much more valuable. Look for rare errors, double dies, off-center strikes, and clipped planchets can be worth big money. Get it graded. If you have a high-grade or rare variety, getting it certified by PCGS, NGC, or ANACS will increase its value. Sell online. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and Great Collections are great for selling collectible coins. Visit a local coin dealer or show. You can also sell to local coin shops or attend coin shows for potential buyers. Final thoughts. The 1993 Lincoln Cent may be a common modern coin, but certain high-grade examples and rare errors can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If you have one, check its condition, look for rare varieties, and consider getting it graded. You might be holding on to a valuable piece of U.S. numismatic history. That's all for today's deep dive into the 1993 Lincoln Cent. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin collecting insights.